All right, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Now I'm going to speak on a topic. Describe a time you bought something from a street or outdoor markets. In our daily life, we bought lots of things from supermarket, grocery shops, or bakery products. Now I'm going to elaborate one thing that I purchased from supermarket. My mother told me that go to please went to the market and purchased a bundle of oil. So I went to the market and buy a cheapest brand from there. On return to my home, my mother said to me that you buy the not a good quality of oil. So she asked me to go back and to go back and buy some other name of the product, and she told me that buy a name of brand that oftenly we eat. So second thing that I purchased from shopping mall is that it was just start of a winter season. I told to my mother that please allow me that I will do shopping on my behalf. So I went to the market and buy a jackets from there. When I came back to my home, my mother said to me that the stuff is not of so good, and it will never keep you warm also. So if I will wash it, then the color will also dull. So I was surprised, and it will. I taught the lesson from him that whenever you go to supermarket, or do some shopping, you have to collect all the information about it. And
Okay, thank you. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Overall, I appreciate the way you are speaking confidently and you are expressing yourself. Mainly, there are grammatical mistakes, and few mistakes are related to your pronunciation. Like your topic was about street market or outdoor market, but you were talking about supermarket. So, supermarket is not street market. Street market is like a bazaar, traditional Pakistani or Indian bazaar. Okay, so you should have used the word market, bazaar, open air market, and like that. Then you said you buyed. Buyed is not the right form. Bought. My mother said you buyed. So you have a lot of issues with tenses. Then you said our jackets. Jackets is plural, so "are" is singular. You should say "our jacket." And then you mispronounced the word warm. You said warm, warm, like that. Okay, so pronunciation as well. And then you said color will dull. Color will dull is not right. Color will fade away, or color will be faded, actually. And then you said I taught the lesson, I learned the lesson. So there are a lot of irregularities like this. I just noted some of them. You should focus your grammar, tenses, present, past, future, and pronunciation. For pronunciation, focus IELTS listening. That will help you with that, right? So looking at your overall performance, I'll give you a 5 band. Thank you.